Hello everyone, I am Bradley Sward, Associate Professor of Computer and Information Science at the College of DuPage in Glen Ellen, Illinois. This video today is day 4 of the mscrogs.co.uk Puzzle Advent Calendar. And so the problem is as such. Pull it out, drag it over. There it is. So here you see, put the digits 1 through 9, so every digit gets a unique value inside of here, so that these equations hold fit. Normal PEMDAS rules do not apply. You can see my answer is 160, but I don't know if that's my answer or the real answer. So how would I do this? I did this in Python. So I did this in Python as such here. And so the hardest part of this would be to figure out how to get all the permutations of the values 1 to 9. So that so like 9 factorial is a lot less number of things to check versus 9 to the 9th power. And so there you go there. So this function here, permutations, gives me all of that. This thing gives me a value from 1 to 10, and it just goes ahead and just does it. It just gives me actually 1 through 9, and it figures out all the permutations. Because if I go in here, I put a breakpoint in here, you will see value is a 9-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it's just gonna go through all. Whatever it does it well, figures out all the permutations for me, and it does it very quickly because you can see how fast does it take to do this. Oops. Well, let me do it one more time. The program's done in under 2 seconds, maybe even less than that. I didn't, whatever, but. Versus, I mean, I had this going for every possibility because I'm like, I just wanted an answer. I didn't want to look this up. I had to look this up, but I did learn a lot in the last couple minutes. But I was just hoping to go do other things. 1:30 in the morning, but like sleep. So for value and permutations range 1 to 10, every time through this loop, it's a generator, and it'll generate a new permutation, and then from there I'm just doing the checks, and if it comes out to be the right answer, I'm just multiplying the red squares together, and I'm calling it a day. There's nothing else to do. So as always, if you need any help or if you want any comments, comment below or email me at swardb@edu. And thanks for sticking it out as always. I'm getting tired staying up this late, but a lot of fun. Have a great night, everybody. Take care. See you next time.